The electric vehicle revolution is here, but at its heart lies a mystery: the battery. This electrochemical marvel holds the key to our electric dreams, but it also fuels our anxieties. Will it last? How often will it need replacing? Recent studies offer a surprising glimpse into the robust nature of EV batteries. They are exceeding expectations, painting a promising picture of longevity. Let's dive in and explore the good, the bad, and the unexpected facets of EV batteries. Recent studies from organizations like Geotab and Plug in America have thrown a wrench into the narrative of short-lived EV batteries. Their findings? The vast majority of EV batteries are outliving the vehicles they power. In fact, some studies show that less than 2% of EV batteries require replacement due to degradation. This is a far cry from the widespread fear of frequent and expensive battery swaps. This impressive longevity stems from advancements in battery technology and sophisticated battery management systems. These systems, often working quietly in the background, optimize charging cycles and thermal regulation. The result? Batteries that retain their capacity over many years and miles. This newfound understanding of battery longevity has significant implications for the future of electric vehicles. Lower than expected battery replacement rates translate to substantial cost savings for EV owners. This directly challenges the misconception that EVs are inherently more expensive to maintain than their gasoline counterparts. Furthermore, the environmental impact of battery production, a valid concern, is mitigated by their extended lifespan. While the news about battery longevity is encouraging, there's a catch. Advertised ranges for electric vehicles often don't match real-world driving experiences. This discrepancy can be attributed to several factors. These include driving style, terrain, weather conditions, and the vehicle's load. Just like a gasoline car uses more fuel in heavy traffic or cold weather, an EV's range can fluctuate based on external factors. This gap between advertised and actual range can understandably lead to frustration for EV owners. Imagine embarking on a road trip, relying on your EV's advertised range, only to find yourself anxiously searching for a charging station sooner than expected. This range anxiety is a genuine concern that the automotive industry is actively working to address. However, it's important to remember that this discrepancy doesn't diminish the inherent benefits of electric vehicles. The issue lies in managing expectations and understanding the factors that influence range. As technology evolves and charging infrastructure improves, the gap between advertised and actual range is expected to narrow. Section 4. Tesla's Tale. A case study in battery range. Let's take the example of Tesla, a company synonymous with electric vehicles. Tesla vehicles are renowned for their impressive range figures. However, even Tesla acknowledges that real-world range can deviate from their advertised estimates. Factors like aggressive driving, extreme temperatures, and even the use of in-car features like air conditioning can impact the distance a Tesla can travel on a single charge. Tesla provides tools and information to help their customers understand and maximize their vehicle's range. Their in-car navigation system factors in real-time conditions and driving habits to provide accurate range estimates. Additionally, Tesla's vast supercharger network offers convenient charging solutions for long journeys. Tesla's experience highlights the importance of transparency and user education in the EV industry. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, it's crucial for manufacturers to provide realistic range expectations and equip their customers with the knowledge and tools to navigate the nuances of EV driving. Section 5. The future is electric advancements on the horizon. The good news is that the future of EV batteries is bright. Researchers and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of battery technology. Solid-state batteries, for instance, promise significantly higher energy density and faster charging times compared to current lithium-ion batteries. Imagine charging your EV in the time it takes to fill your gas tank today. Beyond battery chemistry, advancements in battery management systems and software are playing a crucial role in extending battery life and optimizing performance. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms are being deployed to predict battery health, optimize charging cycles, and even anticipate potential issues before they arise. The convergence of these advancements paints an optimistic picture for the future of electric vehicles. We can expect to see longer ranges, faster charging times, and even more durable batteries in the years to come. The journey towards a fully electric future is well underway. Section 6. Conclusion: a charged debate with a bright future. The debate surrounding EV batteries is multifaceted. While concerns about longevity, range, and cost are valid, the reality is far more nuanced. EV batteries are exceeding expectations in terms of lifespan, and the industry is actively addressing the gap between advertised and actual range. Advancements in battery technology and software promise a future of even more capable and efficient electric vehicles. As we transition to a more sustainable transportation future, it's crucial to approach the conversation about EV batteries with a balanced perspective. Yes, challenges exist, but so do solutions. The electric revolution is here to stay, and with it comes the promise of a cleaner, more sustainable world.